Let's begin by chopping the onion for our chili. You'll notice that the onion has a stem end, the top, and the root end, which is the bottom. We'll begin by removing the stem end first, placing the onion sideways on your cutting board and firmly holding it in place. Then we'll flip it on that flat side that we just cut off and cut the onion in half through the root. We will remove the skin, then placing the onion on the cutting board on that flat side that we just cut. We'll use the lines as our guide to size up the cuts. With the tip of the knife pointed toward the root, and we'll stop before we reach the root. This keeps the onion from falling apart as we cut it. Place the tip of your knife into the onion until it touches the cutting board, and then pull back. Once we've reached all of our vertical cuts across the onion, we'll turn it sideways and cut across the vertical cuts. When you run out of room to safely hold onto your onion, flip it onto that front side and continue to make the cuts across. Then you can repeat these steps with the other half of the onion. Next, we will prepare the onion for our taco recipe. We'll start by removing that stem end first, then flipping it onto the flat side and cutting through the root. We will then remove the skin and using those lines in the onion, make several vertical cuts. Once you get all the way across the onion, you can turn your onion around, lining up the knife to the vertical cuts and cut the stem end off. Repeat these steps with the other half of the onion. Finally, we'll prepare the pepper for our taco recipe. Find a stable side to place the pepper on so it doesn't roll on your cutting board, and hold it firmly in place. Place your hand above the pepper and place the blade between your fingers. Slice the pepper in half, then remove the stem, ribs, and seeds. If all the seeds don't come out, you can give it a little tap on your cutting board or run it under cold water to remove the rest. With the skin side down, cut the pepper into slices by pulling back with the knife toward your body or pushing down and forward away from your body. You can repeat these steps with the other half of the pepper.